Alright students, then let's talk about how to measure the forces in this lab. We're going to use the force plate to measure the reaction forces on the two bicycle wheels. This force plate is a wired force plate, therefore this cable should be connected to the computer to collect the data during your measurement. Using this force plate, we will be able to investigate the reactions acting on the bicycle to be in equilibrium. In your measurement, your group members will hold the bicycle, being sure not to add any additional weight as best as you can. So one would be front and another one would be backside holding. And group 3 and 4 will collect the data. So again, please make sure not to add any additional weight when you are holding the bicycle during the measurement. And then as you see, since the force plate is wired, so you have to connect these two cables from the force plate and to the computer to collect the data during your measurement. Alright students, then let's talk about how to collect the data during your measurement using the software. So as we did from the previous lab, we're going to use the software for neurographical analysis for the data collection. So here, let's click for neurographical analysis to open the software. So we see very similar format here. Frame is here. So here, let's check the x-axis and y-axis in this graph. So x-axis is over the time here in seconds, and y-axis will be the two forces from two force plates. Okay, so first of all, as we did from the previous lab, we're going to set the axis information. Let's do work for the x-axis. X-axis for the time. So click the rate here, the left bottom corner. And then as we did, let's check the time units in seconds. And then start the collection manually and end the collection manually, so that we can be free from our measurement all the time. And done. Once you're done for the setting for x-axis, then let's set the y-axis. So to be sure our initial force value is 0, so come to here, the right bottom corner. And then here, click 0 for force 1, click 0 for force 2 as well. So we're setting the initial value as 0 for our force values. So once you're done, then click collect to measure the forces over the time. So make sure once you're done, click stop. So please make sure at least 10 seconds you're going to measure to keep the constant force values all the time, because forces are in equilibrium means forces are not changing over the time theoretically. So in your measurement, make sure you do collect the constant value over the time, at least 10 seconds. Once you're done, you can follow the next procedures in your handout.